Hello, and welcome to this LearnBN tutorial. In this video, you will get an introduction to business, financial, and model logic. We start by setting up a new analysis through the menu wizard. In this example, we create an analysis that uses a simplified forecast input. We select the period type as monthly in this example, but you can choose whatever suits you best. We will assume revenues of 100 in all periods. The analysis is then created. In the top left area, you can select Output, and you can change the output layout. You can see that the input revenues are equal to the output revenues. The input is done in a user-friendly spreadsheet format you are most likely well familiar with. Here, you can input formulas, drag and drop formulas, and cells as you would in a normal spreadsheet. Next, you press the Calculate button and see the input come to life. To save the updated input and make a new calculation, the calculation is done and the output is updated to show the new data. The output variables are structured into topics. I select to include cash to the top. The chart shows that the cash increases each period with the period's revenues. I will include a help calculation in the free space area to verify and explain how the periodic cash is calculated. The free space is really helpful. The area can be used for more detailed input help calculations, etc. As you can see, the manually calculated cash last period is equal to the model's calculated cash. I will now include costs in this example. As with the revenue, I assume that the costs are equal in each period. I click the Calculate to update the calculation. The calculation is now updated with the newly input costs. I include the costs in the chart. The costs in the chart are equal to my input costs. I select an output type that includes a line that shows the difference between the two selected variables. That in this example, the extra included line shows the difference between the revenues and the costs. The difference between the revenues and the costs in this example is equal to the net profit. I changed the selected output to show the net profit. And in this simplified example, the net profit is equal to the net cash flow. The net cash flow in each period is added to the cash. That is the cash. The green columns increases each period with the period's net cash flow.